Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back again with a pretty good day trading recap. So today I traded TLRY. It was really great. The best trade so far, I think, for this week. As you can see here, I took it long right at the green area here, green mark that I marked, and then almost all out the selling point. It was just perfect entry, perfect exit. I still have really small shares left. I added here 2080 area to profit here, all out. Like my average was somewhere at 2050 something, 2054. But I was all out right where I entered because I didn't want to give back. But yeah, it was great. It was amazing. It's just perfect trade. Like I give this trade a really good one. It was below VWAP. Normally, when a stock gap up, it will sell off a bit at the open. Really heavy volume like this. I was actually expecting if this goes below this area, 2020, maybe I'll just convert it to short. Maybe I'll short it somewhere here if it reverses back. But my plan is to just buy it if it holds 2020 area, and that was the selling point. So I was caught on video, but the thing is, DAS was acting weird again. I was getting filled on a different prices. Everyone was having the same problem, I think, but it's okay because we were sending limit orders. We're getting filled. Like this one was really weird fill. Yeah, like I think there's some few fills that are really weird fills here. Yeah. Um, I was watching SPCE. I didn't want to trade MC today because MC was just, the range was crazy. Look at that, 63.43. That's like $20 move, and it's getting hot so many times. I just didn't want to trade it, and I was watching SPCE as well. I did not trade SPCE. Wasn't really moving that much at pre-market. No, not pre-market. At the first minute, TLRY was the one, and it was my number one pick today. It was great, but before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel for updates and follow me on my social media accounts. Yeah, let's watch. Yep, so as you can see here, I was actually watching TLRY mainly, and watching TLRY here mainly, and SPCE and AMC on the side, but it's just mainly my first pick was TLRY. It's here in my main chart. You can see here the spread is about 10 cents before it opens. Let's fast forward this a bit. There you go. Market is about to open. As you can see here, it's right at my 2020 area, which was expected to sell off. It moved about let's see, it moved about 50 cents at this point. Let's see, volume was about, let's look, volume is about 1.1 million. You can see here 1.1 million. No volume in, what's this, SPCE and AMC. I didn't want to trade it because it was just crazy. Look at that, $1.50 in just first minute. I didn't want to trade it. I said, okay, it's being very volatile and I want to avoid it. And look at the RVol on SPCE. That's the one that you want to trade. And if you look at RVol on no, I was saying TLRY earlier. This is SPCE RVol is 128 and TLRY RVol is 600%. So that's the one that you really want to trade for momentum at the open, or the first few minutes of the open. Yeah, so as you can see here, spread is still okay, 2 cents, but sometimes look at the price, they're not aligned. The bid is higher, which is weird. It's right at 20 area here now. It kind of bounced there, so it's right here somewhere at 2020. It moved about 70 cents, and I said, okay, Let me see if I can try trading it. So look at the spread. As you can see, this is higher than the ask, which was weird. So I had to restart my machine there because it was just acting really weird. I got filled there, just 10%, 50 cent move. I need $1 for this one because my stop was really wide. Waiting patiently for $1. I could have risked 50 cents, but you know, like this is a 20-cent risk. I could have, like, it could easily be lost in there. There you go. It's having a hard time. Some large orders here. There's someone here piling up. You can see people buying. See, I got filled a really weird price again in there. Weird. There you go. So I'm trying to look where will I fully exit. So this is my dollar move now. So this is where I was taking 25%. Because it's just overextended. $1.60 for me. So that's 22. That's the move I wanted. I'm gonna take most of my shares here. Yeah, there you go. So that's 75%. I pressed my 75% there. So almost all out. Probably, I don't know, 5% of my last share. Or, I can't remember. So there you go. I even added in there. It was now it's there you go. The small profit in there. Another small profit. I mean, not small profit. I was taking most of it because I was expecting this to just bounce, because normally a drop like this, it will bounce either 30% or 50%, because that's just a huge bounce. It's due for a bounce, and you can see there's opening price here. It bounced there. When I saw it bounce at opening price, I have a level of 2080 here. It's good risk reward for me. I probably just, if you know, let's say I went in here, I'll probably just get out here, or right at the break even. Yeah, so my average is 2054 because that was an ad. That's just a share that I wanted to play because I know I'm getting FOMO'd all the time. So that was a really quick profit. Yeah, that's it. I made my goal. Look at that. Really good trade. Just like that. So you're probably wondering where I got the 2020 area and 2080 area. Let's see where I found it. If I can't remember. Let's see. Let me pause this. Yeah, so let's look at this. So 30 minutes before the open, the price is somewhere here at 2063. 180R of 180R of TLRY is $1.37. Right? So let's calculate. Let's say 20. Let's say 2050. Right? The 2050 plus 137. So that's 2187. So that's the price, right? So that's where you will see my 180R, which is $22. So I like rounding it off, and let's say it's also a pre-market high. So that's really a major resistance. So yeah, it's just like that. So from open, you calculate 180R, which is about $1.33. So that's 2187. Yeah, so but the opening price is 2066. So 2066 plus 137, 2203. Just like that. 180R move. 180R meaning is a 1 daily ATR of a stock. If you go to Finviz, you will see the 180R in there, or the daily ATR of a stock. So that will kind of give you a guide where a stock will probably move to its day. So right now I moved $2.40. Yeah, it's gonna move more than 180R because of the R vol. A lot of people are trading it, so most of the time it will trade more than that. Yeah, easy as that. So where I got this line, the green line's the buy area. So I was expecting this to open at 2050 or 2060. So that's, I said, if it drops, okay, let's look. Let's go here. So I was looking before, like if it opens here, if it drops somewhere here, that's where I will buy, right? So it's kind of like psychological area. So, and then I have $20 here as well. $20 meaning it's a round number. So there's so many levels here that I was actually looking as well. It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit my monitor, so sorry about that. But there's some levels here as well. You can see here. There. It's a level there. 2020. So you find the top of every daily candle. You can use that as a buying area. It's kind of like a bottom, so that's not. So that's probably the one. Yeah, that's probably the one. I remember, but like just look at, if you're buying a dip, just look for daily candles top, and then you'll find what I'm talking. So look for this 2020 area, and then look at your daily, and then you will see it there. It's just it doesn't fit my screen. So yeah, it was a really good move. This is a normal pullback when a stock is, as you can see, this is the range, right? So if it goes below that, then it's probably gonna go back to previous day close. If it goes below pre-market, or if it holds this area here below this area of 2080, it's probably gonna go down to previous day close. The gap up stuck. There's a gap needs to be filled. Let's go. As you can see here, there's a gap, right? So I'm pretty sure it's gonna go back to 19 maybe some days, because always, most of the time, gaps are getting filled. Like, see this, the gap down, after a few days it filled, right? It filled the gap and then sells off more. Most of the time that happens. So I like trading the gap as well when I'm swinging. Let's say when I'm if I'm gonna swing it here, right, I'm gonna take profit somewhere before this highs here at this area. I'm gonna take profit there and take profit at the gap area. That's what I'll do. See how it performs. Yeah. And then look at that drop, and then you stop at break even. So day trading and swing trading for me is kind of like the same. The patterns are the same. It's just these are wider, a wider range. For day trading, it's the same. It's just faster. I find swing trading easier, but you make less money in swing trading because you don't use your margin. Yeah. So if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for updates, and hopefully see you guys tomorrow. I was actually lazy to trade today, but I still tried to get up. Yeah. Nothing else to say. Bye. Please subscribe.